I don't really have much oil on the face because I have an aircon on right now. The dogs are barking right now, so ganito ang buhay ko. Maraming karibal. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Roche. Welcome to Beauty Mag. So today's video is going to be a first impression on this products from Vice Cosmetics. So they released a powder foundation, so I bought this foundation right here, and this is 245 pesos, okay? And I got in the shade Morena, okay? I tried to swatch I tried to swatch this at the Watson store, so I have my receipt here. I tried to swatch it there, and I was turned in between Morena and Pinay. And the Pinay is more of a yellow undertone, or more like yellow and orange. I don't like that kind of tone. And hopefully this one, well, the Morena is still a yellow undertone, and before this it's still pale for my skin tone, so hopefully this would oxidize on me, hopefully, so it can match my skin tone. Okay, so if you are a MAC, I am in between NC 35 and 40 right now, okay? And also I got some what is this? So I got another 3 products right here from Vice. Okay, all of this is around 145 pesos, and I got one of each. Okay, here's the blush. My eyes are really getting bad, and I'm about to get to work, guys, so let's make this quick. Okay, glasses for now. This is in the shade Aura Blush. I thought it was more like a peachy shade, but now looking at it, it's really different when you are at home with the lighting and all. For me, this one is look more on a reddish brown right now, so yeah, we'll see about that. And then I got a contour here, contour product, same price, 145, and I got in the shade Confirm. Okay, Confirm. The lady at the counter said that this is their popular, which is very suitable to them, so we'll check it out. And for the highlight, I got this shade right here, and this is in the shade Aura Glow. Okay, so for the color of this Aura Glow, this is about golden, so golden undertone. For highlighter like this, I prefer the golden undertone. Okay, it matches my skin better than the pink ones. So for my face today, I just put some moisturizer on, so there's nothing in here, and I'm gonna speed this process and I'll let you know what my thoughts are, because my class would start 30 minutes from now. I need to make this quick. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay, for swatches. Okay, alright, so for packaging, it's really nice. Okay, mirror, they got some mirror over here. I think there's some plastic in here that I need to pull through. Right off the bat. Okay, and okay, alright. Okay, now just go straight directly to my face, since that's what I usually do when I'm off to work. Sponge. And it's getting dark in here. Oh, okay. It's perfect. Coverage, light medium. It doesn't really cover everything. I need to put 2 layers of it to get the same. It's lightweight. Smell is just nothing. The sponge is okay. Well, I usually do with a sponge anyway, so it's not a big deal for me. For the sponge, okay. It still didn't cover anything, guys. All my flaws, you can still see all the redness in here is still picking through. So it's not full coverage. It's not even just light medium. It's just a powder. Well, for me, if I really want to have a full coverage foundation, I would do a liquid, then put this on top to set my foundation. I think that's it. Well, because this one is just for me, this is less coverage. Less coverage. See, my redness is still picking through. Okay, pores. Doesn't do justice with my pores. Okay. Fine lines. It doesn't really emphasize it, but I already have those, so no biggies. Okay, right now it's 5:27 in my computer. Okay, I have my computer on in front of me. I'm working from home now and I teach kids, okay, English online. Okay, I have no time right now to clean my brushes, guys, so let it be, okay. And we need to just tear it with my, I'm just gonna tear it with my teeth right now. Okay, the packaging is nice, of course it's plastic, but I do like the packaging. So the packaging is cool, right? It's nice. Okay. Let's do it. Alright, I have a fan brush right here. Let's do some contour. Oh wow. Hello, no, very sharp, guys. Powdery. It's easy to blend. Good. Okay, so maybe just a light touch of it. Okay. 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 Will be enough. Will be enough. I'm still putting it. Look back. It looks very harsh. Let's see. Let's blend it, guys. A bit harsh, but okay, I am happy with it though. Or blush. Okay, I like it. Oh, nice, guys. Oh, but just a very gentle stroke. It's very pigmented. Okay, I'm already reddish already, and I don't want to be so red. Undertones, good, perfect. Let's see if it can held up for 4 hours. Okay, this, okay, fan brush, okay, and let's do it. So let's do that. It's not working out. Okay. Like in person, it doesn't really show up, but when the light hits on, it flashes. Cool. Very subtle. Right. Do a finger here. Okay. I'll finish the rest of my makeup and I'll come back, okay? Alright. Hi guys, I'm back for my full completed makeup look. So as you can see, it's not really flawless on me, guys. You can see all my imperfections, my pores, in terms of like powder foundation with no primer on. This is what usually happens to my face. So my pores is really like expanding. Okay, but it's not that bad. It's been 20 minutes on my face right now, and the room right now is very hot. It's very humid right now, so I really feel like turning on the aircon. So this is what it looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna go to work. I'll come back after 4 hours. Let's find out together what this powder foundation and the remaining blush, contour, and highlight will gonna be on my face. And for my eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit brow Zings as usual. I just have a minimal makeup. I'm using the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. Okay, I did some mascara, dark brown on my lower lash line and my lips, It's NYX and MAC together. I tried to do the NYX first in the beginning, but I don't feel like because of the blush, and so it doesn't really complement it. I feel like I'm a dead ghost. So I top it with a little bit of red on top. Okay, but I will list down all the products in the description so you would know what I'm wearing and what I'm using. Okay, so for now this is it. Alright, and I'll come back after 4 hours and see how this goes. Okay, I just finished work. Okay, so this is my face looks like. Kumaklaro naman ako. Ang mga chismis sa kinabuhi, guys. It really emphasizes now all my tigidig. All my imperfections. It's not so flawless, really. It's like blotchy also. It's not really that bad. Okay, it's just my imaginations, I think. I don't really have much oil on the face because I have an aircon on right now. The dogs are barking right now, so ganito ang buhay ko. Maraming karipal. Only this is not full coverage powder foundation. You know, you can really see the changes in my life. You can see my textured or my imperfections. Let's just say imperfection. Here, because I am wearing my glasses, so some portions are worn out. This is a dual finish foundation, a collection of soft dual finish powders that give a flawless airbrush look. If you have so many acne, or if you are acne prone skin and you got many scars, it doesn't do justice because I have many imperfections. I have large pores and some indentation, so this foundation, so it really emphasizes it. So airbrush look, no. Medium to full coverage, no. This is only light to medium for my skin. Okay, so not all can have the same effect, but for me, for my skin with many problematic areas, it doesn't do justice. Okay, $2.45 price, it's okay. I mean, it's not that much, but to use this for everyday use as its own without a primer for my skin tone, no. Okay, they have 8 shades, available colors, good, and SPF 25, which is good to use if you are out and about and mostly in outdoors. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be useful for you. Oil control a little bit, but I have an aircon right now, so I can't really tell. Okay, if I have an update on the oil control, I will put it down below. Okay, blurring, no, it doesn't blur my pores, and my redness is still picking through, so no. Let's try it. No flashback, yes. And this is my picture. My large pores is really like spreading like a butterfly. For 4 hours with this shine, it's acceptable. Now for the Aura Cheek collection, this is a soft buildable powder collection of blush, contour, and highlight that gives a head-turning aura no matter the occasion. Comes in 8 shades, universally, flattering blush shades, 2 contours, and 3 highlights. Okay, I only get 1 of each. Okay, so far, it held up naman pretty well. So, I still have my contour, I still have my blush and highlight. And yeah, for me, blush and contour and highlight is all the same thing, works the same thing. But is it flattering on my skin? Yes, it is. So I will still gonna keep using these 3 products right here, and whatever updates I could have, I will put it in the description below. This is my first impression of this Vice Cosmetics products. let me know if this product works for you and whatnot. Okay, so these are my first impression. I hope you like it. Share this if you want, and if you're new, please subscribe before you go. Let's be friends. Okay, and that's it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. Until then.